Hello, hello. Hello, Kinder. Hello, chickies. Ready for the math class? Okay, who's here? Alejito Indaburu. Hi, sweetie. Hello, Alejo. Let's wait a little bit. Juanita. Hi, Juanita. Hi, Felipe. Hi, Felipe. Hello, Alejito. Hello, sweetie. Very good. Okay, let's begin. Joaquin, if you are ready. Hi, Joaquin. Okay. Very good, Chiqui. So let's begin. We haven't... Oh, Martin Perez, Marianita, hi. Okay, we haven't do the date today. So we are going to check the day and the month, okay? Today I'm going to use my heart. Are you ready? Okay, so let's begin. Today we're going to talk about something very interesting, symmetry. Okay, so let's begin. Miguel, hi Miguel, how are you? Right, very good. So let's begin, everyone. Joaquin, are you there? Hi, Joaquin. I'm sorry I couldn't say hi the last class, okay? Very good. So let's begin. Now, remember, today is Friday. So we are going to say the days very quietly. And when we get to Friday, we are going to say it very, very loud, okay? So, 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Woo! Saturday and Sunday. Today is Friday. Now let's check the month. Hello, Samu. Are you ready for the month song? Okay. 1, 2, 3. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So today's Friday, May the 22nd, okay? Fede, hi Fede, hi Federico. Very good. Okay, as I told you, today we are going to talk about ta-da, symmetry. Oh, have you ever heard the word symmetry? What is symmetry? Do you know? No, it's a new word. We are going to learn about symmetry. Okay? Okay. So here Miss Carolina has some shapes. And these shapes have a very special characteristic. These shapes are the same, one side and the other. They are, if I draw a line in the middle of the shape, I'm going to find that the shape is the same, both sides. Let's make an example. I'm going to use a marker. Here I have a marker, and I'm going to use the ruler. Oh my goodness, I lost my, okay. I found my ruler. Ta-da! Okay, so with a ruler and a marker, I'm going to show you how these shapes are the same both sides. That means these shapes are symmetrical, okay? So pay attention. You just have to look. Look at me. That's it. Let's begin with the heart. I'm going to draw a line just in the middle of the heart, like this. Can you see? That's the center, the middle of the heart. And if I fold my heart, both sides are the same. Both sides have the same size, the same shape, right? Hello, Carlitos. That means this heart is a symmetrical shape because if I fold the shape or if I draw a line just in the middle of the shape, just by the middle, I can find that the shape has the same size. Look, it's the same. Both sides are the same. So this is a symmetrical shape. Okay, I'm going to show you another example. Okay, let's continue with the arrow. I have an arrow here. Okay, let's take a look at this arrow. Do you think this shape is symmetrical? If I draw a line by the middle of the arrow, both sides are going to be the same shape and the same size. What do you think? Is this arrow symmetrical? Yes or no? What do you think? Let's write the line. I'm going to write a line like this right here. Just in the center, by the center, in the middle. Now, take a look. What do you think? Is the same? This side is the same as this side? Samuel says no. You think it is not the same? Now you think it is? Right. Viewing the line is easier to check if the shape is the same. Now I'm going to fold the arrow. I'm going to fold it to see if both sides are the same, okay? Look. I'm going to fold the arrow. Look, both sides are the same shape and the same size. Both sides are the same. So that means this shape, this arrow shape, is symmetrical. Symmetrical because both sides are the same. Very good. What happens if I do this? If I fold the shape on the other side, it's going to be symmetrical that way? No, right? Look, it's different. I need to do the folding. I need to do the symmetry line, the symmetrical line, this way. Okay? Very good. Okay, let's continue. Okay, this shape looks like a cloud, right? Do you think this shape, this cloud, is symmetrical? If I draw a line just by the middle of the cloud, it's going to be symmetrical? Hello, Felipe. You think that it is? Okay, very good, Felipe. Okay, let's try. I'm going to draw the line. So if I fold my shape, if I fold the cloud, both this side is the same as this side. Yes, you think yes? Okay, very good, Samu, Felipe, very good. Yes, look, it is the same. It's the same shape. It's the same shape. So this shape is also a symmetrical shape. Very good. Excellent. And we have one last example. We have this one. What do you think about this one? It looks like a hat, like a crown, right? Or like a pyramid, like stairs here. Is this shape a symmetric shape, a symmetric shape? What do you think? If I look for the center of the shape and if I draw the line, it's going to be symmetric? Let's find out. Is this side the same as this side? Let's find out. Let's fold the shape like this. Yes, look, both sides are the same. So, how do we call this line? This line is the symmetry line. The symmetry line, the line that divides the shape into two equal, the very same shape, okay? Very good. Not all the shapes are symmetrical. Not all the shapes are symmetrical. I'm going to show you an example here with a piece of cardboard. For example, do you think this shape, I have this shape here. So do you think this shape is symmetrical? Okay, where would be the symmetric line? If I find, I'm going to measure the shape. This shape has 14, so 7/2 is here. I'm going to fold the shape into half. Very good, Sam. Okay, so is this shape symmetrical? If I draw the line here, is this shape going to be symmetrical? No, right? Okay, what about like this? If I fold the shape here, both sides are going to be the same? No, look, it's not the same. And on the other side, So this shape is not symmetrical. This side is different to this side. So it doesn't have the same shape one side and the other. So this is not a symmetrical shape. These examples here are symmetrical shapes. They are the same one side and the other. And we call this line the symmetry line. Repeat, symmetry line. The line that divides the shape into two equal shapes is the same. Okay, so right now we are going to do our own symmetrical shape and we are going to draw a robot, but it's going to be a symmetrical robot, okay? So you are going to need your notebook, the Cuadritos notebook. Today I'm going to use this Cuadritos piece of paper, right? Because it's going to be easier to draw a symmetrical shape using cuadritos, okay? So in your notebook, please grab your notebook and we are going to do a symmetrical robot. Get ready. You are going to need your pencil and the notebook. Okay? I'm going to place my piece of paper here. Ready? Do you have your notebooks ready? Okay. Here I have my piece of paper ready. Very good. So, on the top of the page, we are going to write the title as we used to do. Symmetry. Symmetry is going to be the title of this activity. So with your pencil, let's write the word symmetry. I'm going to use a green marker. So here on the top of your page in your notebook, let's write the word symmetry. So we begin with capital letter S. Capital letter S. Capital letter S. Letter Y. Y. Double letter M. 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 One letter M. Another letter M. Letter E. Letter T. Letter R. And finally, letter Y again. Symmetry. Ready? Very good. Okay, right now we are going to use a symmetry line. So you are going to ask somebody to help you with a ruler, or if you don't have a ruler, something like a stick or notebook or something to draw a line here in your notebook. In the middle of the page, we are going to draw like this. Wait. In your notebooks, we are going to draw a line, a symmetry line. So, for example, here, I'm going to draw my symmetry line just in the middle of the page. This is what you are going to do. Please ask somebody to help you and draw a straight line just in the middle of the page, okay? Very good. Excellent. And we are going to start drawing our robot, a symmetry robot. Okay, that means that this side of the robot must be the same as the other side. Everything needs to be the same, this side and this side. What we draw on this side must be the same on this side, okay? Very good. So we are going to start drawing the head of our robot. It's going to be a square. So I'm going to use a different color for you to see. I'm going to use a red color. Okay, so for the head, we are going to draw a square. So let's begin. We need to use the same amount of squares on each side. So I'm going to draw a line here and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. Let's draw the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm going to draw the other side of the face. How many this side? The same, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm going down. Okay, let's go down another 5. So I'm going to count. Can you see? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many here? The same. Right, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It needs to be the same on both sides. Remember that because we are talking about symmetry. Okay, now let's do this part of the face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many on the other side? 5. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far, the head is a rectangle and is the same here and here. Very good. So let's draw the eyes, the mouth, the nose of the robot. So let's draw the eyes. For example, for my robot, I'm going to draw the eyes here. I'm going to draw one eye is going to be a square. And I'm going to use these 4 squares here. And I need to draw the opposite eye the same size. It needs to be the same in the same position and the same size. So these are going to be the eyes of my robot. Now I'm going to draw a nose. What about a nose here from this and this. And I can color the mouth or the nose of my robot, for example. And on the eyes, you can use, for example, the little square here in the corner, and you can color this square here, and on the other side, the same square here, right? But it's the same on both sides. Very good. Okay, how can we draw a mouth? We don't have enough room here, but for example, with the black marker, we can have 1, 2, 3. I'm going to count 3. And 1, 2, 3 on the other side. And I can make some lines. 1, 2, 1, 2 for the mouth of my robot. So, does it look the same on both sides? Yeah, it is a symmetrical robot. Very good. You're doing very, very good. You can complete the robot as you want. The important thing is that what you do on one side of the robot, you do the same on the opposite side, okay? Okay, let's continue with the body. So we can draw the body of the robot. For example, here I'm going down like 7 squares. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes. Like this. And then on the other side, 7 again. So I have to count 3, no? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can think, okay, I want to draw some buttons here. So remember, the buttons that you draw this side must be the same buttons here on the other side, okay? And the same shape. If I want to draw a square on the other side, I have to draw the same square. Or if I want a rectangle, the same on the other side, a rectangle, you can also draw circles, right? And on the other side, the same circle. So you are going to complete the robot as you want. You at home are going to draw the arms for the robot, but remember, the arm here is going to be the same arm here. For example, I'm going to do it very quickly, but you can do it at home as you want. It's going to be your robot, and you can finish it as you want. For example, I want some arms here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can do the legs here. Right? And for example, with different colors, for example, I have here green. So I want to draw a button here. And I'm going to do the same button on the same place on the other side. Or if I want to do a circle button, I can draw here a circle and the same circle on the other side. I can color my buttons. I can make, I don't know, whatever you want, but the same on both sides, okay? Because we are talking about symmetry and we need the shape to have the same on both sides. Okie dokie? So you can finish your robot, you can color your robot, you can put some more buttons, you can put some wheels, whatever you want, but the same on both sides. That's the idea of symmetrical shapes. And this is going to be a symmetrical robot. Okay? Very good. I know you are going to do fantastic robots. Okay, so finish your activity. I hope you enjoy it. And we are going to continue learning about symmetry on the next lessons, okay? Have a fantastic weekend. This is a long weekend. So have a beautiful weekend with your family. I love you very, very much. Miss you and love you, okay? Bye-bye, sweeties. Bye.